Sir, my mock scores are not consistent. Okay, if you look at the Virat Kohli performance, even during the peak of the season, his performance was not consistent. Sometime 100, sometime 0, sometime 20, sometime 40, sometime 50. You are never, ever, ever gonna get consistent marks. Your marks are going to be in waves. It depends upon a lot of things. Number one is, of course, your level of difficulty of the mock. Fine. For example, at CET King, we have designed the mocks in such a way that some of the mocks are really very easy. Some of the mocks are really very tough. किसी mock में 50 आ गया, किसी में 80 आ गया, then suddenly 140 आ गया, then suddenly 20 या 30. Yeah, because every year in the CAT exam, there is one section which is always at a very high level. Okay. So don't worry about that. So level of difficulty, your mock score will get adjusted accordingly. So what you can do is you can look at the average score of the topper. If your score is 30, topper ka score will also have dropped. So the gap between you and the topper should be maintained. Take it that way. Fine. So don't worry about the score. Your score are going to be in wavy. That depend upon the level of difficulty. Second thing, that also depend upon your mood. ट्रस्ट में गाइस, योर परफॉर्मेंस इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन योर मूड. आप रात को सो नहीं पाए थे, गर्लफ्रेंड ने थप्पड़ मार दिया, एनी फैक्टर, पेरेंट्स से झगड़ा हो गया, पेरेंट्स ने कुछ बोल दिया, सो ईच एंड एवरी फैक्टर विल डिसाइड योर परफॉर्मेंस ऑन द एग्जाम डे. यू आर टायर्ड, यू आर दिस, कंप्यूटर बंद हो गया, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. फाइन. सो मॉक स्कोर इज नेवर गोइंग टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज से कि लुक एट अ मोटा मोटा नंबर. Okay, for example, what are you scoring today? Let's take two example. We have a student who is scoring today 80 marks. We have another student who is scoring today 30 marks. ठीक है, हम दो का एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. एक का 30 आ रहा है, एक का 80 आ रहा है. Now 30 वाले का टारगेट is very simple. We have next 2 months remaining for the exam. Your first target is by October 30. You should target 50 marks. 50 to 60 you can easily target. I'm not giving you a impossible target 140. No. 50 to 60 marks. Then by November 28th on the exam day, I can target easily 75 to 100 marks. 75 is 95 percentile and 100 marks is 99 percentile. Can you grow? Yes, you can do it. कितना यार, 50 का 75, 60 to 100 is possible jump. It's not an impossible jump. और करना किसको? इंडियन स्टूडेंट जो 2 दिन पढ़ के एग्जाम देते हो तुम लोग. Fine. All our life we are prepared for 2 days, 3 days for the exam. Here we are getting 2 month ka time. If I count from today, 50 days. Similarly, those are scoring 80 marks today. Average is 80 to 100 marks. आपको already आ रहा है. First target by October 30 should be 100 to 120 marks. And then next target become 120 to 150 marks. 150 is 99.7, 99.5 plus. 120 is 99.2, 99.5 के आजू बाजू. And 100 is 99. So 80 wala can easily touch 100 marks, which is 99 percentile, to 120 marks, and then 100 become 120 marks. Please look at the gradual approach. Now, is this going to happen consistently? Like 80, next May 85, next May 89, next May 95, then 100, then 105. Boss, this happen only in AP series, in maths, in hypothetical cases. In real life cases, it's not going to happen. Your mock score to touch 100, it will from 80, it will become 60, then become 70, then become 40, then become 110, then become 100. So look at the average. Average should be 100 plus. Okay, not today, October end. For those who are scoring 80. So those who are scoring 30, first target is 50. Consistently 50 score par karo. Then we look at 75 or 100 marks. Okay, overnight 100 nahi aane wala. It will take its own sweet time. Fine. That's why in stock market they show you AAGR, average CAGR, average annual growth rate, cumulative growth rate. So what they show, so this year, by this year, it have shown 100% CAGR, 100% growth rate. देखो पहले share 100 का था. Today the share is 200 rupees. Public impressed. Oh my God, 100% growth. They will not tell you that this share have fluctuated from 100 to 200 जाने में. It's never ever a straight line. If it would be a straight line, no one would have been working anywhere. Everyone would be in stock market. First, this 100 ka share will go up to 240. Then it came down to 80. भाई हमारा सुसाइड करने जा रहा था, ओ बर्बाद हो गया, स्टॉक मार्केट बर्बाद होगी, इट केम डाउन टू 40, देन इट केम टू 100, देन 120, 140, देन जाके 200. फाइन. इफ दे शो यू दिस कंप्लीट जर्नी ऑफ अप एंड डाउन ना, तुम आओगे नहीं स्टॉक मार्केट में. फाइन. दैट्स व्हाई दे गिव यू द average annual growth rate, and that is what I want to focus on as well, rather than look at the individual score 80, 60, 40, 50, 10. Let's look at the 50, 30 to 50 jana hai. Average should be 50. This means there will be mocks where you are scoring 30 also, there will be mocks where you are scoring 65 also. Then next target becomes 75. Same way 80 wale ka 100, 100 wale ka 120. In this journey your score are going to be inconsistent, which is very normal. Okay, all the best.